I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by loading both transaction sets into one workbook and converting them to tables so formulas update automatically. Once done, standardize column names, date, description, amount, account, and a unique ID if you have one, because consistent headers make matching reliable. Next, remove exact duplicates within each table using table tools and sort by date or unique ID. Make sure to save a backup copy before running comparisons so you can revert if matching goes wrong. You create a composite key in both tables, concatenate date, description, and rounded amount to reduce false mismatches. Then use XLOOKUP or index/match to search one table's key in the other, returning the row number or key when found. Once the lookup runs, use IF with ISNA or IFER to flag not found results as unmatched. Also include a tolerance match for small rounding differences using round or ABS difference checks, so near matches aren't lost due to sense. You finish by filtering for flagged or unmatched rows and reconciling them manually. Check descriptions, dates, and amounts side by side. Once matched, mark both rows as reconciled with a status column so they're excluded from further checks. If many near misses exist, run the fuzzy lookup add-in or use helper similarity formulas to suggest matches. Key troubleshooting tip: if matches aren't found, confirm data normalization, trim spaces, unify date formats, and remove hidden characters, then rerun lookups.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.